Hello guys, it's Nick here again. Uh, Finally the weather is good enough in London to do some job today. I sort out the problem with that sensor. Uh, I show you when you press the brake, the sensor come out, so the ESP system switch on. I changed that sensor of the pedal, and what actually happened, that remained. But I call a friend of mine. He got a really nice computer, especially for Peugeot, and he cleared the wrong from the ECU, and everything's completely fine. What he said to me, if you sort out the problem, that doesn't mean the system will really understand that. So as soon as you clear the wrong, then you can find out is that the right thing or not. So yeah, obviously when you're dealing with that French cars, you should have the right equipment to do it. Today I decide to make that van to look a bit better. The wheel covers are totally destroyed. They're rubbish. So I bought new covers for the wheels, and what I found out, to replace the covers you need to take off the bolt, just because the bolt keeping the wheel and the cover together. I'll show you what I mean. So that's the wheel cover and that's the bolts. So the cover going all the way behind the bolts, and it's a really good idea, to be honest. All of us see some of those covers flying around and that kind, so they try to keep them completely still to the wheel. In our case, you can see there's too much damage around. It's just look terrible like that, and that's why I decide to change them. So let me show you. So there is, when you remove all the bolts, the cover just pop out. So reinstall the bolts, and we're ready to put the new covers. So there is the van now. I think look much better with that covers. I cleaned the van. Actually, my local car wash done it. It's look great, just great. Let me start it to show that there is no lights at all in the moment, and that's really nice. So when you press the brake, nothing happened, and it's work and sound great. I'll do some final preparation. I'll try to clean that scratches on the side. I don't think it's necessary to respray it and that kind. That's a van, and we're gonna sell it cheap, so I'll try to keep it cheap as possible, just to run that a bit quicker. Like I said, the price on the moment is around £3,000. I will make a breakdown how much everything costs, but to be honest, even £1,000 profit will be good enough to buy something better next time, and like I said, try to keep that running. If you guys have any advices what to do, how to do it, and that kind, I'll be more than happy to read the comments on the below. Please subscribe if you are new to the channel. I wasn't sure that I was gonna mention it, but obviously I have to. few persons try to argue with me, try to say that I'm cheating, that I'm doing something bad and that kind. Not really. The thing is there. I'm a electrician. I'm doing some building things and that kind. That's something which I'm doing on the side. Something for fun. I really like that. So it's like my hobby. But that doesn't mean I'm not doing the things on the right way. The van is registered to my own company. Like I say, as a builder, it's completely normal the person to have van. Yeah, first thing. Second thing, yeah, I'm not registered trader as a trader, but I'm paying the insurance for that vehicle at the moment. I'm paying the road tax and that kind, and I'm using it. So I don't think it's illegal to buy a car, damaged car, or car with problems, to run it for a bit and sell it. I'm completely able to do that. And on the top of that, like I said, the van is registered on my company. I mention how much I pay for it, and in the tax return they were saying how much I sold it for. So I'm gonna pay taxes for that, right? And if some of you guys saying that I'm cheating, no. As a trader, I'm gonna pay the difference. I'm a VAT register, and I'm gonna pay the full VAT on the selling price only, because I'm a flat VAT register. And you know, when I'm buying something, I'm not taking back the VAT. When I'm selling something, I need to pay the full 20% of the selling fee. So it's much more expensive for me to do it this way. But like I said, if all that things work, and I say I like to do that, I don't mind to change the things which I'm doing. You know, as an electrician, I can earn more than enough money. But that's the thing which I love. That's the thing which I like, and I will try to run it. And like I said, I'm doing it for fun. That's it. In this particular moment, I'm doing it for fun. So if you guys are worried about the taxes and that kind, don't worry at all. I'm gonna pay more than the traders. So you know, it's a bit ridiculous to say and go in your country, or to say, you know, people like you destroying our country and that kind. I'm paying crazy taxes. Trust me, crazy taxes. It's not really fair to say that. And I hope all that we're gonna explain you how we're gonna do the things and that kind. But I'll stop here. Now it's time to make few pictures to advertise the van in few websites. It's like Gumtree, like eBay, like Auto Trader. And let's see what will be happen. If you guys have any advice as how much I can ask for the vehicle, if you guys have any advices, you know, how to modify it, for example, to install a reversing camera or parking sensors or something like that, please let me know in the comment below, and I may do that as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Hello guys, I tried to remove some of the scratches. Some of them was really deep. They passed the clear coat, and like you guys know, it's impossible to remove them. But most of them come out. Obviously, that vehicle scratched another vehicle, and some of the paint and part of the bumper was just dirty, and it's much better now. It's really far from perfect condition, but it's much better. And I was using Autotech just to mention, I'm not advertising that and that kind of thing. I use many of them. Most of them, they're useless. But that one's doing really good job. I was really surprised. Cost me like £5 or something. But yeah, done the job. So the vehicle will look a bit better for the next owner. Thank you, guys.